Vegan lasagna. I must make it. Chop chop, on your feet. So we wanna make a lasagna? What a coincidence, I'm gonna do a lasagna too. When I hear lasagna, I always actually think about Garfield. You know, the cartoon cat that was always sleeping and eating lasagna. So, damn, he had a nice life. I would like that too. Just a disclaimer, if you ever serve this dish to Italians, just call it maybe a pasta and casserole, just to avoid conflict. So anyway, let's make a simple vegan lasagna. A sneak peek at the ingredients and let's start. Potatoes, peel them. Oopsie, didn't work as usual. One more time. There you go. Next are carrots and onion. Peel and now chop them. And now into the pot they go. Okay, transfer to the stove. Yep. Oh, that looks like a face. Hello, sir. Enjoy the hot tub. Don't worry, I got you covered. Next we need corn, red beans and tomato chunks in a can because we want it to be fast. Drop them in a pot. Ah, not like that. Put the tomato sauce, beans and corn inside the pot nicely. Alright, who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Add 2 teaspoons of veggie broth to the potatoes and stir to make the flavor even better. Turn on the heat on the tomato sauce to low-medium heat to let it simmer. You know what is a good idea? Cover your nuts with boiling water. Sounds drastic, but if your blender could talk, it would thank you for it. Oh, thank you, sir! That's so nice. You're welcome. Now time to prep the zucchini. Peel it and cut it into thin slices, just like that. And there it goes. Chop, chop, chop. Check your potatoes, you can easily stab them with a fork, then we can proceed. Put your veggies in a blender, but don't throw out the water. Now we add our drained nuts. Drained nuts. After that, then add 2 garlic cloves. I like it garlicky, let's do 1 more. That will do. Now 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast for the cheesy flavor and 1 or 2 teaspoons of salt, depending on how salty you like it. We will add about 1/4 of a cup of the broth the potatoes were cooked in to make it more liquid, a bit of lemon juice, and now it's time to blend it up. Magic hand makes bzzz, and it's done. Okay, proceed. Oh shit, I forgot to preheat my oven. Let's do that now. Okay, let's do a summary. Okay, zucchini check, tomato sauce check, potato cheese check, casserole check. Lasagna assemble. We put plates on bottom, 1, 2, 3, and then goes the potato cheese, spread it nicely, next zucchini slices, and the tomato sauce. Okay, now we repeat the process. Lasagna plates, 1, 2, 3, fill in the gap, the cheesy sauce, and zucchini slices again. Tomato sauce. For the top we just go lasagna plates and potato cheese on the very top. If you have leftovers from the potato cheese, you can store it for a few days in a container in the fridge. You could use it for a mac and cheese or to spread on bread. The lasagna goes into the oven for around 30 to 40 minutes. In the meantime, you can meditate, work out or take a shower. Or you could research the benefits of a vegan diet, like, for example, how much less carbon dioxide is getting released because of it. Or you could have a nap while waiting, of course, yes, that's a possibility. Okay, wake up, the lasagna is done. Go get it, boy. It smells so good already. And there it is, nice brown crust on top, looks delicious. Some more of those tasty shots to convince you to prepare it yourself. And to make it look and taste even better, some nice fresh basil will do the job perfectly. And here you have lasagna in all its glory. And I can't wait for it to be in my tummy. And that's it from this recipe. Hope you enjoyed the cheesiness of my lasagna and of my jokes. See you in the next video.